I'm News 6's Emily McLeod. I spoke to a local immigration attorney who says she's been running into issues representing her client ever since he was transferred to Alligator Alcatraz. She says she never thought her client would end up there in the first place because she says he has legal status in the U.S. Josephine Arroyo's client is currently being detained at the South Florida migrant detention facility Alligator Alcatraz. She feels like she's living in the twilight zone since the opening of the facility.
I just thought, this was just some, another one of these sound bites to get people, maybe agitated or things. I never thought that this was actually going to become a reality and so quickly.
Arroyo was representing her client prior to his transfer to the South Florida facility for driving with a suspended license. But she says that case was taken care of before he was moved. Arroyo says her client was originally being held in the Seminole County Jail, was transferred to Orange County, and ultimately ended up at Alligator Alcatraz.
Did you know that that was going to be happening?
No, absolutely not. And I thought, the news and the media is all saying that, those that are being taken to Alligator Alcatraz are definitely being deported. We knew our client had legal status here in the U.S., and so never in a million years would I have ever imagined that he was going to end up there.
Arroyo says her client's legal status is through DACA. DACA, Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals, is a U.S. immigration policy that allows certain undocumented individuals who were brought to the U.S. as children to receive temporary protection from deportation and work authorization. She says since he's been at Alligator Alcatraz, she's had a hard time getting in touch with her client.
I can't get a hold of anyone. I have no answers, no access to my client. This is a violation of their constitutional right to counsel and to access counsel.
We reached out to the Department of Homeland Security, ICE, the Miami ICE Field Office, and the Florida Division of Emergency Management to ask them about attorney access to clients while they're at Alligator Alcatraz. We did hear back from the Division of Emergency Management, and they tell us attorneys are able to reach out to set up an appointment with detainees upon request. Now, we responded and asked them who should attorneys reach out to specifically to set up those appointments, and we're still waiting to hear back. Reporting in Orange County, I'm Emily McLeod, News 6.